Like, sometimes they have a chance to be taken.
No, I have a shotgun. Wrist runner is probably the one I have to use, but it doesn't. Nah. I have to use cut and run
great.
or something. Or the Wise and Rebuke, I don't know.
Wait, what for?
For the electric weapon for the other dungeon, or the other. Whatever we're doing.
For the hunts.
Well, just for the electric weapons, right? Yeah, for the hunt, I guess. Because that last time was bad.
Yeah, I got an auto rifle, don't worry about it. We'll have plenty of bullets.
As long as someone has a lightning weapon, cover the other ones. Because last time was a freaking nightmare.
It's fine.
Well, we don't have to do the same boss. Like, we can do a
we can do other bosses, you're right. You're right.
But then we just need a truckload of fire weapons.
That's okay, I got nothing but fire weapons.
Okay.
Much like Epic 7, I have nothing but fire heroes.
That's pretty good. You see a green team, you're like, whew, I got this.
There's never a green team, Chris.
Oh.
There's only blue teams and that's it.
Pretty much. You need to roll a Euphane and the Bologna. Wait, you have Bologna.
No, I have blue
Bologna.
Bologna.
Arcology to investigate a heavily guarded hive ritual.
Yeah, blue in it,
We've
yeah.
had zero contact for the last several hours, which is why we need you.
I just realized I have 2 void weapons, so good luck everybody.
I just jumped off.
This is going well.
My grenade holding didn't work.
What the hell?
Thanks.
Lightning!
Wait, can you no longer hold your grenade and float at the same time? Maybe there is.
I was always a thing for the flying
I think
class.
that's the middle of the. I think it's the dawn tree.
Yeah.
'Cause I can hold it for my void one, but I don't keep floating. I stop floating.
I've never seen the hive put logs.
I don't remember what rift I have on.
What are they doing down there?
Okay, it's here. Wizard, right side.
Yeah.
Oh, these orbs rays are these guys. Go to the left side first, I think.
He's in the middle.
Oh my goodness.
Ah.
Just
I've been hit!
crap. Oh.
Very good.
Is that Bed the Devils, Chris?
No, it's one of the forging cannons. Rampage surrounded. Why does it take 8 shots to kill a thrall?
Oh, I'm back.
So tank.
Alright, I'm back.
Kind of want to be on this.
Oh my goodness, I'm taken down!
Don't do that now, Andrew. Come on.
Got freaking taken down by the stupid knife.
No.
It's good.
Run, Kev! Run for the hills!
Wait, he's anticipating my movement. He's in front of me.
He's doing my moves. There we go. Big guy up top.
Yeah.
Another one on the right side.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, no.
He's like perfect aim.
Are you kidding me?
Oh no. Stop in time. Throw a bomb.
Why is there a throw behind me?
Sorry, I'm back in 3, 2,
Excellent.
1. The carry's back.
Maybe.
Show me your moves, Barry.
If that finisher where you headbutt them is locked behind the pain, I'm getting that in there anyway.
It's 100% behind the paywall.
I know, because it's so good, you need it.
If you're time, yes.
Praise in season pass, but I doubt it.
It's 100% a season pass.
I hope so.
Should be bad. I think it's like $10 for everyone American. But it's like
yeah, American. It's like
15 for us, yeah.
13 to 15.
What?
Alright, right one first, let's...
I'm hitting the left one.
Alright, so...
Trying to get the right one, but nope.
Okay, that's a lot weaker than I thought it was going to be. Whoa! He's fully healed. Fantastic.
Yeah.
Which one are we going for? The right one?
I've got a grenade. I can just no block it.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Exploded.
I've got one, I've got one.
Oh, it's just you now. Oh, he lived.
Good kid.
They both lived. What?
Ah,
I think I shot it through them. I wanted to hit both, so I hit none. Perfectly balanced.
The Hive power their rituals through death and sacrifice. If you cannot find a way forward, there is no shame in retreat. Far better to save your life for another battle than be consumed by the Hive.
Get away from him! I won't let you transform him!
We understand, but we agreed to this mission. No one's backing down. Commander, are you there? I've got a lock on that transmission. Let's go.
Caliban, do you copy? Caliban, do you copy?
My goodness. Shouldn't have any more. I've got cookies and cream ice cream in front of me. So...
that sounds fantastic, Chris. I, for one, welcome using cream ice cream.
That's where the broadcast
Home
came
Alone,
from.
cookies and cream ice.
Oh, wow, I'm pretty sure I shot you.
Crystal was full of void
I'm
light.
almost dead.
Ah, you're a sentinel typing with that thing, you're fine. Put a healing rift down there.
Can't cheat this anymore.
Alright, we should be okay.
Oh, God.
Guardian down.
Holy
Oh.
crap.
As long as you get it in, kid.
Yeah.
We gotta check.
Can't die again like
Hello?
last time.
Is anyone
Once he just
in here?
disappears.
We're here to help.
What's up?
Damn.
This
Oh,
doesn't add
I'm
up.
safe anyway though.
Where's that Guardian we heard?
Oh my goodness, I'm out.
Oh my god, is he gonna...
Just punch him, punch him.
Oh, I have to reload!
my
Just shoot him!
goodness.
Oh my goodness. Here's the final boss, boys.
It's dead.
Amount of heavy, amount of special.
Behind
there's
you
not
guys,
that behind.
careful.
Oh, again.
What a roller coaster of emotions.
Nothing but continuous failure.
Wait, hold on.
It's some kind of summoning seal. There's a network
This
of
gun is
magic
as
running
cancerous
deep
as I thought it
into
was
the
gonna be.
archaeology, powered by
What do you mean?
void light.
Doesn't
Like
seem to do as much as I
ridiculously
hoped.
broken.
To summon something down there.
Hello? Is anyone there? I just heard somebody. Commander Zavala, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Thanks, the Traveler. I can barely hear you. Let me get to a better position.
We can't let the Hive use this.
Watch it.
Fuel their
Oh.
magic.
Maybe
Nice
all blow
try,
finishes.
Bruce Lee.
I only have default one on the top.
That's why you think. I missed 4 headshots there. Behead's the biggest thing on this guy. There we go.
Fire it
I'm gonna ult this.
Echo
I'm
3
just
here.
gonna grenade on
Unknown
him.
fire team, do you copy?
Oh, it's still
Oh, I'm still getting him.
Copy.
That's
Are there
it.
others with you?
No, just us down here.
another one. Oh, there's the one arc now, the whole map.
Oh crap.
It's alright. I got lightning spells. I'm just completely on cooldown.
What's
Take down that barrier.
Shielding.
Oh
when
my
it's like
goodness.
Fucking damaged.
That ain't good, lads. You're in danger.
I don't think we're either of us are safe. Maybe Kev? Maybe?
No.
No, I got no health from this debuffing. Hey, I'm a war. Yeah. I have health.
I'm back in 3 seconds anyway, so 2 seconds, 1 second. I wouldn't bother.
Oh, jeez. Fire grenade.
We gotta take out that stupid guy. Break his shield up. Force a confrontation.
Time there, grenades.
Here we go.
Timed out.
There it is.
There we go. Did you get it? Yeah.
Yeah.
What's that other one?
What other one?
Disintegrate. I mean, good answer. The regular lad.
See what's behind, so they both got
Yeah,
blast.
I lined it up.
There'll be 2 sword lads that'll come out. Holy crap, he's out.
He's
Wow.
running so fast. 2 sword life. 1
Three.
sword guy. 2. Hopefully he walks into that. Yep. Oh, Bruce Lee!
Trying to get
And who has fire?
Yep.
I do, but
Cool.
yeah, let's get the Ogre, okay, that's good. Less than shielders. Could bump us. That would probably die.
I don't have that much fire.
Yeah, I still got all my hidden.
Oh my goodness.
He's super low. 3 blocks is not enough.
I got striked by a minion.
You still alive, or?
Now I am.
We came down here
No,
as a
the
squad of
minions.
9.
Oh no.
Got picked off one
took
by
each other
one.
out.
Watched a wizard
the
rip
last
the
straw.
light out of my best friend and funnel it into some kind of crystal.
They're harvesting guardians. These are all guardians.
Is that it?
Alright, I'm out of heavy, boys. I think I have 2 stacks. Drop that one to your right, Annie.
Yeah, I'm running away. Need to be close to you guys than you.
It's the left one.
Bring down the shield. No.
Damn it.
And soft, soft.
Stop. Lightning.
Oh, that's that. Should have saved that for the wizard maybe, but oh well. My green ammo is lacking.
My turn now. Oh wait.
Oh no.
They're void, aren't they?
They're void.
Res me really quick.
Oh crap.
I was gonna do it, don't res me, I'm in a horrible position.
I'm getting in there. Give me a few seconds. Hype myself up. Hype, 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 hype. Yes! Oh, I made it out alive. Take him out.
I don't only generate 1 orb of light.
What? Oh no.
Where is this orb?
Oh, cool.
I threw a super at 2 things with void shields and then died.
I'll grab it, I'll grab it.
One orb.
Alright. I got him now.
Just make them spawn. What's going on?
Oh no! Oh no!
Okay, now it's out.
Oh wow, this thing is just running at me.
Man,
No.
if I hit my shots there, you would have died.
Alright.
Another barrier plus the 3 ogres we're gonna run into.
Yeah. Just don't go too forward, I guess.
Fuck. Don't think I got him.
Running on me.
Oh wow.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, snap.
Shields up.
Oh.
Just does shit all the way. Except the wizards. I've walked too far up and the ogre's gonna aggro, I think. Keep stack. Oh,
It's alright, you just need to bring your shield down, okay.
that green ammo.
Okay.
Unstoppable's gonna be coming.
Alright, let's get ready.
I'm ready for the first one.
Hell is he?
I guess the void charge doesn't matter, we can just let it time out.
He's to the right here.
Yeah, see him. Yes!
Slowly. Oh, maybe he's shooting, but let's see him coming
I
out.
need to grab. They're both coming. They're both coming. We got lads.
Oh, fuck.
Oh crap. That one.
There.
Back up a bit, Andy. We're not looking too good at the moment.
Where's Kev? I'm on you.
There's a ball right behind us.
Yeah, had the wrong gun out, so I killed myself.
Alright,
Cool, it should be dead now.
it's weak, it's weak. How did I only grab one special ammo from the green pack?
So we need to go back and get the orb.
Extra ammo thing.
On my way.
Here comes, that's the third one there.
Yeah, but he's not he's moving yet.
It's alright, just go on back here. He's not coming in, I want to get that green ammo.
Yeah, that's fair. Alright, we're gonna stun him soon.
I'm ready.
I'm shooting him, see if he comes in.
He's coming.
Yep.
He's weak.
Cool. Am I just going in or what do you want to do, Kev? Oh wait, none of us are
Hang on.
seeing.
Just clear the acolytes.
Yeah, kill the mobs first.
Whoop. Alright, I'm going in.
I might have an idea. Let's find Takeo.
Four whisper shots remaining. That ain't it.
Takeo, we're coming
Void.
No, don't
Okay.
come down here.
Noobs are weak.
I know what to do. We have to turn the crystals against the hive.
But there are no powered crystals in this
Get
chamber.
that fire guy.
What's plan
Fire.
B?
Have fire.
Yeah, fire?
Never mind. We're going with that
That
plan.
stupid wizard, that's all.
But you said there aren't any crystals.
334.
Not yet.
Just doesn't do anything to this. Get the mobs for... Oh well, I'll get his shield off anyway.
Guardian down.
Surely that does something to it.
He ran away. He bolted faster than
yeah.
lightning.
Oh. Just kept moving backwards
It's his time.
at extreme speed. Door should be coming though. I don't know. Finish him anyway.
be a whole bunch of them. Oh shit! Oh shit!
You mean those ones? There's one behind.
Yeah, I know.
They're so pretty.
Okay. Lost.
She sacrificed herself. This ends here.
Can I close it? Shut. Nice, this one. Hands weak. Nice. Oh, pretty out. Shield right behind you, Andy. Yep.
Ah, they're both doing it.
Double shield.
Don't think it's stacked at all.
Oh my goodness, where did my grenade just flying off into the fucking space?
Little bounce on his shield.
Yeah. Flew over to where the final boss spawned. Didn't go that far.
Twig. Chaff throw.
Air damage. Okay. 10 seconds.
Good work, looking Andy.
Yeah, it's going for me then.
5 seconds.
I'm super low on health. Why isn't it coming back?
All 3 of us maybe?
I'm out of white ammo.
That happens only with real close.
Yeah.
Oh, some here.
Alright, I'm gonna clear out these acolytes, man.
Yeah, trying to get the little ones.
These things, grenades are super low.
Alright, I'm gonna shoot the thing.
Alright.
Still red guys.
I got any ammo.
He's closed.
Oh,
Burgers will be around here.
Oh, I did not know these guys all spawned like that.
yeah, fine. I don't have a grenade for this
Yours,
ogre. He's right here.
Did I get both of them?
Yeah, he did.
Oh no.
No, that's good, that's good, that's good. Keep
I'll
it on.
try. He's weak. Oh, they both killed me. Nice.
Nice. I'll do
We're
one
going to try to
more.
heal around you.
Double slam.
Try to see if I can get Kevin.
Yeah, we ran off at the same time.
Oh.
Oh no! Careful!
There
Oh
he is.
shit!
That's how unstoppable, by the way.
Yeah. Run, Kev.
I'll try it.
Revive me when you can, I can get him. Oh, it's looking back at me again.
Yeah, I think we'll just wait.
Sorry, Andy.
Oh shit! It's alright. Hopefully he runs away.
It's so low because I can't heal. Crap.
Alright, he's looking at one of. Oh, he's looking at me. Still charging at
I
me.
think it's coming. It's 100% coming around.
This is your chance, Andy.
Yep.
Oh,
He's on, Kev.
yeah.
Oh,
Oh no!
no. Run, run, run. He doesn't know you're there, he doesn't know. He kinda knows.
You might know.
He's shooting me, shooting me.
I got 10.
Alright, he's on his way, he's on his... This way?
Yep, direct right there.
Come
Oh,
on!
yes.
Yes!
Nice. I'm up.
Oh.
Now, right onto a fire grenade.
foot in a rift here for a sec.
I'm going back to the top safe spot.
Oh.
Trying to make like go away.
I'm kinda safe. Never mind, there's Nightfall there. Throw a spawner, careful.
Still
He's teleported.
Yeah.
Watch out, you've got Axiom bolts on you. Don't move in.
Yep, agreed.
They're coming for you, Axioms. What's up?
Yeah. Oh.
There's a boy guy there. No, I get him with the bow.
I'll get him,
I get him.
Okay. Nice.
Okay.
He wants to run, I can do it.
I'm staying up here.
Rules directly on.
Get him, boys.
You get in?
Alright.
Yep, it's in.
Nice.
Well,
Ascended shard.
we did it.
Handsome Prison 3.
Wish we'd had time to think of another way.
Got long shadow, I guess, but
That's a good one. You get triple tap on that bad boy.
so not good. Thanks
It's
for
a success. Check out the scores.
Check the scores. Carrot.